So let's talk about some potential adoption. We've got some mainstream players getting involved in the space here. FarmVille creator Zynga. Zynga also created, Words with Friends. So both of these were just hugely popular in the past decade or so. They announced many years ago that they were going to do this, and they finally actually have teased the game itself. It's called Sugartown, and it's going to use Ethereum NFTs. Basically, there's these little farm animals that have opened up a wormhole from another dimension, and creatures called auras, which of course is the name of their NFT, have crossed through the wormhole and turned Sugartown into a fun, gamified world. They haven't yet said when it's going to actually come out, but to get ready for it, they will release 10,000 Aura NFTs later this year, and that will be actually required for users to play the game. Honestly, I think that's really smart to start with a really small number, especially, you'd have to assume that a big company like that might have some voices in their ear saying, oh my God, you're going to have 1 billion players, in no time, it'll be amazing. But given the hurdles to kind of, for non-crypto folks to get into a crypto project, needing to get a wallet, have an understanding of what that actually means in the first place, etc. Really smart to start nice and small. Players will also be able to lock up or stake their NFTs to accumulate sugar, a non-crypto in-game currency. This is actually a really smart move too, in my opinion. A lot of games have in-game currencies. And I've said for a long time it would be really great, just because whether they're tradable outside or not, actually using a blockchain-based token for that in-game currency is just a really smart idea. Why do it with your own separate, monetary mechanics when you can use something that already exists? Lower your cost for how you kind of store the ledger and how you kind of transfer them between people, etc. That'd be great. There's this fun little teaser video that you can check out if you want. And the one last thing I thought was really interesting about this particular article is Zynga actually was acquired last year. I didn't even realize this. They were acquired by the publisher of GrandTheftAuto. And they announced at the time that they signaled. I don't know what the article actually means by signaled. They might have announced, or it might have just been the fact that Zynga had already said they're going to get into this space, and then Take-Two Interactive bought them for nearly $13 billion. Obviously, the gaming industry, if you don't know this already, of all the entertainment industries, music, movies, television, and games is the largest segment. Kind of stunning. So this incredibly valuable thing was purchased by Take-Two Interactive, and so it seems like they might get into the cryptocurrency Web3 kind of NFT token-based kind of industry soon. Honestly, that'd be really cool. I'm a fan of Grand Theft Auto. I played it, since the very kind of first version. It's a fun game because it's like this open world kind of simulation kind of thing, and you have money within the game. It'd be really cool if that was actually an asset that was actually held on one of these decentralized ledgers, so that it had real world value, so that if you play really well and earn an enormous amount of it, you can actually sell the proceeds of that to other players because having the money means you can do certain things within the game and stuff like that. So just really cool, and a nice little sign of adoption. Always fun.
Yeah, for sure.
You're not much of a gamer anymore.
I really have nothing to add at this point in the conversation, but I'm excited to see something so high profile integrating some Web3 stuff. So that's cool.
Exactly.